This is a review of the men's Windbreaker jacket that we're going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to go more in depth about it, talk about the material wise, and we are going to do a test run of the front side and the back side, and we are going to do a walk around of this Windbreaker jacket. So without going further, let's go more in depth and show you guys more about this Windbreaker jacket. Okay, so one thing I do want to note before we show you guys the in-depth tour of this Windbreaker jacket is that this fits true to size. So this is a size large, and I'm about 5 feet 10 inches and 165 pounds, and this fits very, perfect for me. And if you're wanting to go size up, you can, but this is, one thing to keep in mind, that this does fit true to size. So whatever size you're ordering, it will definitely fit according to your waist and your height and your weight. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Okay, so here's an in-depth tour of this Windbreaker jacket, and one thing I love about this Windbreaker jacket is that it's extremely lightweight and comfortable. It's made of 100% polyester material as well too. Another thing, I also do love the fact that the material of the inlays as well too for the pockets, they're really spacious as well. You can see right over here, you could fit something like for your iPhone, for example. You could fit a lot of belongings. It also comes with these buttons as well too, so whenever you want to lock it in place, you just press these buttons and it'll just lock in place just like that. The zipper is also really high quality as well too. It zips up and down very fine, that you can see here. And then just like that, it also, I do love the fact that it also comes with a hoodie on top. So for example, if it rains or something like that, you can see that it comes with this hoodie and with the hat right here as well too, which is really cool as well. So you can wear this during the rain as well too. It'll deflect right off like that, the water. So this type of material, you can wear it in all types of weather. So you can wear this during the summer, you can wear it during the rain, you can wear it during any type of season. So that's one thing that I love about it. And then right over here, not just that, but it comes with a motivational logos as well too. It comes, you can see here, it comes with legacy, life is too short. Then right over here, a bunch of other logos as well too. That makes it, really cool and motivational. But what we're gonna do now is that we're going to show you guys a front and back view of this Windbreaker jacket. And just like that, I absolutely love this Windbreaker jacket. I would definitely recommend this if you were wanting to wear it during occasions such as the concerts, parties, functions, or any events like that. You can wear this in all types of weathers as well too, during the winter, during the summer, during the fall as well too. It also comes with a hoodie where you could wear it on top with the hat as well, which is really a huge plus as well. So if you're looking for a Windbreaker jacket to wear in all types of seasons and you're wanting it to wear for your parties, functions, or concerts or anything like that, then I would definitely recommend this Windbreaker jacket right over here because of the fact that the zips go up and down really, they're high quality. It comes with elastic right over here, the hoodie as well as too, and then also not just that, but the pockets are really spacious on the inside as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a Windbreaker jacket to wear in all types of seasons. And this one right over here is by far one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.